Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.8 question number 2. Find the 12th term of the following harmonic sequences. Part number 1, 1 divide 2, 1 divide 5, 1 divide 8 up to so on. Since 1 divide 2, 1 divide 5, 1 divide 8 up to so on is an harmonic progression, and corresponding terms, that is 2, 5, 8 up to so on, is an arithmetic progression. Here first term, that is a1 is equal to 2, second term a2 is equal to 5. D is the common difference between a1 and a2, so by putting the values, D is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, so common difference equal to 3. Find the 12 terms, that is n is equal to 12, so a12. Find a12 can also be written in the form of a1 plus n minus 1 into D, so by putting the values, n is equal to 12, so a1 is equal to 2, a12 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1 into D, so value of D is equal to 3. 12 minus 1 equal to 11, 11 3 times 33, 33 plus 2 is equal to 35. Hence 12th term of harmonic progression is equal to a12 is equal to 1 divide 35, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.